Today is New Year's Eve. It's when we usher out the old, and in with the new. The new tradition is ushered in with a ball dropping in Times Square. But, just how did that tradition get started, and how is it celebrated elsewhere, other than in Times Square? It all started back in 1859, as a time signal, for ships in the harbor. A large ball was dropped at 1 p.m., so that captains could calibrate the ship's chronometer. For some reason, in the USA, the ball was dropped at noon. The Times Square celebration dates back to 1904, when the New York Times opened its headquarters, at what was then known as Longacre Square. The newspaper's owner convinced the city to rename the area Times Square, and he hosted a big party, complete with fireworks, on New Year's Eve. In 1907, the newspaper's electrician fixed a large illuminated ball on the flagpole and he lowered it at midnight. Other cities have developed their own ball-like dropping traditions. Atlanta, Georgia, drops a giant peach. Eastport, Maine, drops a sardine. Ocean City, Maryland, drops a beach ball, and Mobile, Alabama, drops a 600-pound electric moon pie. In Tempe, Arizona, a giant tortilla chip descends into a massive bowl of salsa. Brasstown, North Carolina, drops a plexiglass pyramid containing a live possum. And Key West, Florida, drops an enormous ruby slipper with a drag queen inside. It is just by coincidence that in 1938, the first breath test for car drivers, called the Drunkometer, was invented by Dr. Rolla Harger, of the Indiana University School of Medicine. It was the first successful machine for testing human blood alcohol content by breath analysis. Then in 1954, the breathalyzer was introduced on New Year's Eve. It was a more practical, highly portable instrument for testing blood alcohol levels. Let's hope for you, and for everyone, that the coming year is a better one. Encourage hope and prosperity in the coming year and years.